mixing up your cactus juice. So mixing up cactus juice comes with an activator bottle, at least the larger bottles do. Now, really easy way to stuff this up is to just pour it straight in and then try to shake it and find you got lumps and bumps in there. So open it, shake it up really well, open it, maybe get a syringe, stick a bit of the fresh cactus juice in there and then shake it up again, and that sort of gets it loose. And then use something like a knife or a chisel or whatever. Put a knife in it, it shoots its load all over the place. I always get a rag, which I've spoken about before, keep your old boxer shorts and socks and stuff. I just put it over the top and then I pierce, in fact, the top like that, and let the air out. Now I can cut the label out without ending up wearing it all. Because the first couple of times I got sprayed all over the place and I didn't learn quickly. I had to do it twice before I learned better.